Fire starters are crucial tools in survival scenarios, providing a reliable means to ignite fires for warmth, cooking, and signaling. These compact devices come in various forms, such as Ferrocerium rods, waterproof matches, and fire starter kits. They are indispensable for outdoor enthusiasts, preppers, and adventurers, ensuring readiness in challenging situations. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Surviveware Survival Fire Starter, your essential tool for kindling flames in the great outdoors. Crafted with precision and durability, this fire starter is your ultimate companion for survival situations and camping adventures alike. Its Ferrocerium rod sparks up even in wet conditions, ensuring you can ignite a fire when you need it most. The ergonomic design with a comfortable grip makes it easy to use, even for beginners. With its compact size and included lanyard, it's a convenient addition to your camping gear, bug-out bag, or emergency kit. Trust the Surviveware Survival Fire Starter to provide you with the warmth, light, and security you need in the wilderness. Whether you're a seasoned survivalist or a weekend camper, be prepared for anything with this reliable fire starter by your side. Number 9. SureFire Titan Lighter, a compact yet powerful tool that's designed to light up your world in any situation. Crafted with precision and built to last, this pocket-sized marvel is your trusty companion for lighting fires, candles, stoves, and more. Its high-performance electric arc spark is windproof and weather-resistant, ensuring reliability when you need it most. With a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers long-lasting functionality, and the included micro USB cable makes it easy to power up. The rugged construction is built to withstand the elements and the demands of the outdoors, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. Illuminate your path with the SureFire Titan Lighter, the dependable, portable fire starter that's always ready to shine. Whether you're an adventurer or a planner, make sure you have the SureFire Titan by your side for all your lighting needs. Number 8. Überleben Kräftig Fire Starter 12, the ultimate fire starting tool that stands tall at 12 inches and is designed for the most rugged outdoor adventures. Crafted for durability and reliability, this fire starter is a must-have for any survivalist or camper. With its extra-long Ferrocerium rod, you can produce a shower of sparks even in the most challenging conditions, ensuring you can ignite a fire when it matters most. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use in all situations. Whether you're lighting up a campfire, barbecue, or emergency fire, the Kräftig Fire Starter is up to the task. Trust this dependable fire starter to be your reliable companion on your outdoor journeys, delivering the spark you need to conquer the wild. Number 7. Zippo Typhoon Match Kit, the ultimate fire starting solution that guarantees ignition even in the harshest conditions. Crafted with Zippo's renowned quality and reliability, this kit is your go-to tool for lighting fires, stoves, and campfires. Inside a waterproof, floating case, you'll find 15 robust Typhoon matches that can withstand strong winds, rain, and immersion in water. These matches light up with a single strike, ensuring you're never left in the dark. The additional spare strikers included in the kit ensure you're always prepared for your next adventure. Whether you're a seasoned outdoors enthusiast, a backpacker, or preparing for emergency situations, the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit is your dependable fire-starting companion, ready to keep you warm and safe, no matter the elements. Trust in Zippo's legacy of quality and get the peace of mind you deserve in the great outdoors. Number 6. Light My Fire Tinder Cubes, the essential fire-starting companion for your outdoor adventures. Crafted for convenience and reliability, these cubes are a game-changer for igniting fires in any weather condition. Made from 100% natural and sustainable materials, they're not only eco-friendly, but also easy to ignite. Each cube burns hot and long, making it a dependable choice for lighting stoves, campfires, or grills. Whether you're deep in the wilderness, on a camping trip, or simply need a backup for emergency situations, Light My Fire Tinder Cubes have got you covered. These compact, lightweight cubes fit easily into your gear, ensuring you're always prepared to create a warm, cozy fire wherever your adventures take you. Trust in their efficiency and make your outdoor experiences even more enjoyable with Light My Fire Tinder Cubes. Number 5. SureFire Light Fuel-Free Rechargeable Lighter, a revolutionary fire-starting solution for the modern adventurer. Crafted with cutting-edge technology and sustainability in mind, this rechargeable lighter eliminates the need for traditional fuel, saving you money and reducing your environmental footprint. With its powerful electric arc, it ignites fires with ease, even in challenging conditions. The durable design ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor life, making it an essential tool for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. Rechargeable via USB. This lighter provides long-lasting performance on a single charge, ensuring you're always ready to kindle flames, whether it's for warmth, cooking, or survival. Trust in the SureFire light fuel-free rechargeable lighter to keep you prepared, eco-conscious, and safe in any outdoor situation where fire is your ally. Number 4. Tortoise Gear Firefly Variety 8-Pack Fire Starter, the ultimate fire starting kit that sparks your adventure into the wild. Crafted for the outdoor enthusiast, this versatile pack includes a variety of fire starting tools, ensuring you're always ready to ignite a blaze in any conditions. With fire starters like the Firefly Ferro rod, Magnesium, and fire starter sticks, you can easily light campfires, stoves, and grills with confidence. The waterproof storage tube keeps your fire starting gear dry, even in wet environments. Compact and lightweight, this kit is a must-have addition to your backpack, camping gear, or emergency kit, ensuring you're prepared for any outdoor challenge. Elevate your outdoor experiences with the Tortoise Gear Firefly Variety 8-Pack Fire Starter and ignite the spirit of adventure wherever you roam. Number 3. Titan SurvivorSteel Ferrocerium Fire Starter, the ultimate ignition tool designed to ensure you're never left without fire in the great outdoors. Crafted with precision and built for resilience, this fire starter is your go-to companion for igniting fires in any weather. Its high-quality Ferrocerium rod produces an abundance of sparks that can easily catch fire, even in the wettest conditions. With a robust striker included, you'll get reliable ignition every time you strike. Compact, lightweight, and built to last, it's the perfect addition to your camping gear, survival kit, or bug-out bag. Trust the Titan SurvivorSteel Ferrocerium Fire Starter to be your reliable spark in times of need, guaranteeing warmth, light, and security on your wilderness adventures. Number 2. Survival Fire Starter Kit, your ultimate companion for conquering the elements and igniting flames in the most challenging situations. Crafted for adventurers and preparedness enthusiasts alike, this comprehensive kit is your lifeline in the wild. It includes a high-quality Ferrocerium rod that produces a scorching shower of sparks, along with a sturdy striker for consistent and reliable ignition. Inside, you'll find waterproof, windproof, and all-weather tinder that's ready to kindle even in the wettest conditions. This compact, portable kit is an essential addition to your camping gear, hiking backpack, or emergency preparedness supplies, ensuring you can create warmth, cook meals, and signal for help when you need it most. Be ready for any outdoor challenge with the Survival Fire Starter Kit, where fire meets survival and adventure meets preparation. Number 1. Ferro Rod and Magnesium Fire Starter Kit, your ultimate fire starting solution designed for the intrepid outdoors person. Crafted with precision and reliability in mind, this kit is your essential tool for igniting fires in the wilderness. The Ferrocerium rod produces a cascade of fiery sparks even in the most adverse conditions, while the magnesium block shavings serve as powerful accelerants, ensuring your fire catches swiftly and burns hot. This compact, lightweight kit fits seamlessly into your backpack, survival gear, or camping equipment, ensuring you're always prepared for any outdoor situation. Whether you're embarking on a backcountry adventure or preparing for emergencies, the Ferro Rod and Magnesium Fire Starter Kit is your trusty companion for kindling flames and staying warm and safe in the great outdoors.